Hi, my name's Marianne. I'm from the Margate School in Kent. I study on the postgraduate fine art course. I decided to do this internship because for part of my MA we had to do an internship somewhere, and I decided that I would like to do mine abroad. And this one stuck out to me because of how hands-on it was. A lot of internships are just a lot of shadowing and fetching copies for other people, whereas this one is much more hands-on and involved. And I chose to come to Athens because it's such a historically and culturally significant city that I'd never been to before. I found the internship to be run very well. Everyone's been very helpful and supportive, and I've never felt out of place or like I've not known what I was doing.